Raul and Kashim. We're just gonna pair program today on website 1. I'm gonna try and help Kashim set up his computer with website 1 project. How are you doing, Kashim?
Pretty good.
Is this your first pair programming session on Agile Venture?
Yes, it is actually.
When did you join the group?
Group, it's been like 2 weeks, I would say.
Okay, cool. So like I understand you've been having some troubles like getting the project running locally.
Yeah, whenever I try to migrate, I get an error.
Okay. Hopefully I'll be able to help you with that. Do you mind sharing your screen maybe so that we can take a look at it?
How do I? Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
did you find this sharing button?
Yeah.
Okay.
Share screen. Sure. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect. What operating system are you running?
Mac OS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Right. So so looks like bundle installed completely. Right, but then it still can't find bullet, is that right?
Yeah.
But then this is weird because like if you just open the your text editor in this project. I just want to have a look at your gem file, see what's going on there.
Wait. The gem file?
Yeah, the gem file. Right next to the fixture folder. Okay. If you scroll down, it should be part of the. Scroll down. There it is. So it should install it.
Right.
Should definitely install it, but it doesn't. Okay. So try running gem install bullet from that folder.
Okay. Should I try again?
Yeah, try running the migration again.
No.
Okay. This is weird. This is weird. Do regdb migrate space dash dash trace. Okay, so still doing the same thing. An initialize constant bullet. Just want to. I want to open the project on my side here and see. I'm not sure if I set it up here, but let me have a look. Okay, so we have Agile Venture website 1. Hello. Let's see. Okay. Okay, there it is. It's in development in line. Okay. Line. Let me see your screen again. It's line 32. Line 32, bullet enable. Okay. Huh. This is weird. Okay, so how did you set up the project when you were you following the instructions on the wiki when setting up the project?
Yeah, on the website.
Let me see if I can find those. Where's my browser now? There we go. Okay, so we go GitHub. Website one. It's weird that it can't find that if your bundle is running fine, because project setup, bundle install. Weird. Troubleshooting. Setup, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Gem bullet. This bullet is designed to help you increase application performance. Okay. So we have that. Group development. Make sure bullet gem is added after active record rel. We already have that. Then okay. What's the error message again, please? I just want to check your error. Okay, there we go. So it says uninitialized constant bullet. There we go. Somebody complained about it. Huh. Do me a favor, go to your terminal.
Okay.
Just do a git status there. Do a git diff.
Git diff.
Yeah, space diff. Double F. Okay, so those are the changes from recently. Right, so okay, that looks okay. Okay. It's really weird that it's doing that. Sorry about that. Do me a favor and reclone this project somewhere else from
the website.
Yeah, just clone a fresh copy of the project, and I just want us to go through it step by step, and yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I can't seem to. I don't know why it's doing that. On my side, it's working just fine. I set up this project recently, and it was working just fine. I didn't have that issue with Bullet. So you might want to get out of the website one folder you are right now in. I mean, from your terminal.
Yeah, I'll just open another terminal.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Okay, it's done.
okay, so go in, enter the project. Go inside the project folder from the terminal. Okay. Just do ruby-v.
Ruby-what?
-v, just to get what version of Ruby you're using. Okay, that's fine. Now do a bundle install. Aha, I think I know what the issue is. Oh, okay. Yeah, probably that's the problem. Better. There is installing Bullet. Okay. While it's doing that, have you been added to the pivotal tracker for this project?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So I'll do that before we finish today, because that's
Okay.
so what we use Pivotal Tracker here for like managing the project and all the features that we have to implement on that. And yeah, that's where you'll find most of the tasks. Like whenever you're interested in working on something, you'll find most of the tasks available to work on there. But I'll tell you some more about it once we finish this setup, and I'll give you a walkthrough of the project. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what time are you usually available for meetings? Is this time the time you good? Is this time good for you most of the time?
For like Tuesday and Thursday, I'm free after
Mm-hmm.
1:30
Okay.
anytime.
Where are you
And
based?
I'm in Binghamton, New York.
Okay. Cool. All right.
Yeah.
So it's most probably gonna be difficult for you to attend Scrum meetings. Like the earliest Scrum meeting we have, like the one Sam hosts, usually it's 9 UTC, and I think it's 3:30 UTC. So it's most probably gonna be difficult for you to attend those, right?
Wait, what time? Let me see what time it is.
Yeah.
I could make the
Not
9.
it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. actually that we have the meetings. The
So
thing
that
is,
would be
since this project, we haven't had a lot of active developers on this project. Yeah, it's very early for you.
yeah.
Cool. No, so we haven't had any active developers on this project lately. What we used to do was would have weekly dev meetings. That was for all the dev people working on the project, just to coordinate and assign tasks to each and everyone to work on during the week. But since it's been slow now, it's mainly been myself, Sam Preeti, another guy, and Alejandro, and they mainly fixing stuff that they've been working on. So we don't usually, if we need to coordinate something, we'll coordinate on Slack, and we won't have a meeting, a video meeting or something. But if there needs to be a meeting, we can always set it up and try and coordinate things together, right? Okay, looks like it's done there. Try and doing the migration. Yeah. It's still complaining about that.
It hasn't come up yet.
Okay, let's see what error message we got now. No such file. Wait, break aborted, bad connection. Have you had this error before?
Yes. I think I have to start it up manually.
Oh, okay.
There's some code for that.
So one thing you can do is probably do history. I don't know if this will work. Pipe grep. That command had Postgres in it or something. I just sent you on the chat here on Hangout.
Okay.
Well, what that will do is it'll just list any command you had recently in your terminal with the word Postgres in it.
Okay.
Nah, there was nothing. Didn't find anything.
Let me try this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Looks like it's working.
Yeah.
Okay, so it did migrate the database. Okay, next step you want to do is okay, so since it's the first time you're running this, you might want to make sure that all the tests are passing. And to do that, you're gonna do a bundle exec rake. Bundle exec rake, yeah. Just rake will do.
Okay.
It should run both aspect test, because we're using aspect for unit testing, and we're using Cucumber for integration test. Yeah. Okay, so we need to run the migration for. Okay, so you can just do a rake db test prepare. Rake db test prepare. Blunt prepare.
Okay.
That's the correct one. Yeah, right. Yeah, run it again. Rake, yeah, the rake one.
Okay.
No, yeah, that one. Okay. Okay. While that's running, it's gonna take some time. I'm just gonna quickly add you to the pivotal track and show you around. Okay.
Okay.
And let's reload this. Can I use the email address you have on Slack for that?
Yeah.
All right. So let's see that. View members. Oh, it's weird. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, looks like I can't. I'll have to get my role upgraded by Sam tomorrow. Guess we forgot to do that. I can't invite members. Okay, I'll have to sort that out tomorrow. Give me a minute, Thomas. Okay, give me a second. Where is that? Here we go. Oops. Okay, cool. Anyway, I'll try and get that sorted tomorrow, and then I'll send you an invitation to the board.
Okay.
Have you used Pivotal Tracker before?
I have, but not a lot, very like little.
Okay, very little exposure to Tracker. Not a problem at all. So, as I was saying earlier on, once you get here, you'll see there's a bunch of stories that we're working on. This list here is the list of all the stories that we've completed and delivered. This is part of the current sprint, what people are currently supposed to be working on at the moment. Most of them have been like not very active lately, but yeah, this is the active stories at the moment. Now the backlog holds a list of all the features we would like to work on next. As soon as we done with these bunch here. Okay. So usually, as I said, we would normally assign tasks to each and every developers during a developer meeting or a scrum. Okay. But because we're not running most of them at the time, mainly because there hasn't been any active dev on this project lately. So what happens is you can, whenever you want to work on something, you can coordinate with me and just have a look at this board here and see if there is the stories you might want to look at. Most of the time are stories that are in the backlog that are not started yet. Okay.
Okay.
If you see maybe a bug or I don't know, a chore that you think you can fix or a feature that you think you can implement, read through the story and just have a conversation with me. Then we can set it up and then you can start working on the feature itself. Okay. But other than that, I usually have client meetings with because the client for this project is Sam Joseph. We have client meetings in the mornings on Friday, where we go over all the features and we try to sort them by order of priority. The features that are most important at the moment that we want to take care of, like right away. And we just try to push them at the top of the list. And then if there's any stories that were delivered, we review them and then we just accept it. Okay. So you like I said, you will have to look at items in the backlog. I know some of these stories, for instance, people started on them, but I'm still like waiting to hear how far they are, if they're still working on it. I was asking last week if people were still busy on it. I just want to leave it for another week or so, and I'll probably just bring them back in the backlog, for someone else to work on. But if you happen to see one story among the ones that have been started already and that you're interested in working on, do communicate with me first before working on the particular story. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in general, when you have question on the project, you can just drop them in Slack and put my name next to it so that I get a notification and I will have a look at it and see if I can help you. Okay. All right. But the first thing that I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna have you added to this project, and perhaps for the next few days. You said you're available on Tuesdays and when again?
Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I can probably do, just to get you started and all that, I can probably make myself available around the same time for like 30 minutes or an hour on those days, so that we can work on a few things together. How does that sound? Is that like okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Then maybe whenever I'm working on something, I can just ping you and we can pair program on it. Or if you want to work on something, you can just check me and we can work on it together. And then I'll use that time to sort of like show you around a bit and all that kind of things.
Yeah,
so that's
sounds
like
good.
a good plan.
Mhm.
Yeah. So yeah. Are those tests still running that side there?
No, it's finished.
Okay, something failed. What failed now? Let's see. Scroll up.
Okay.
We need to. Oh. Okay. Oh, those are cucumbers. There's a lot of them failing. This is not right. Huh. Where is that? Do we need to see this project? Actually, never ran them myself. Bundle exec. Right. Come on. Scroll up again. I just want to see if there's RSpec one on all passing. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm just running the same test on my side here to see why is it that those are failing. Trying to think whether we're missing a step. Ooh. Huh. Okay. How do I do that? Okay, so I need to get rid of those. Okay. So there usually are like a couple of tests that fail on development. Normally with the cucumber test, there is two tests I think, and they're all related to project page edit or something like that. or documents, if I remember correctly, but like not all of them should fail at once. I'm trying to remember. I don't know if I had to seed my database or something. Get this right. Okay, try and do this. Make DB seed. Were you able to run that?
Wait, the seed?
Yeah, the seeds.
Okay.
Break DB seed. I think that's the missing step on this setup. I must probably have to add that. Okay, yeah. So that's gonna create some dummy data in your database. Okay. Run rake spec. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I think it's done. Hello? I can't hear you.
Sorry, I muted myself. Sorry. I was just saying to run rake cucumber. I forgot that I muted myself to check something.
Rake cucumber.
Yeah. So I will now run all the integration tests for the application and make sure all is all right. And I think it should all go fine. Right. Have you worked with Rails before?
Yeah, a little bit.
A lot of it. A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why are these things failing now? Oh. This is weird. Okay. Looks like it's also failing on my side. Oh, could not find executable Phantom.js on your path. Did you install Phantom.js? Is it complaining about Phantom.js also on your side?
I can't tell, but oh yeah, it is.
Is it the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess if I then fix it, yeah. Alright. Okay. I thought I didn't install it. Okay, so all right. I'm just gonna run install -g phantom. Yes. Yeah. It has to be npm install like this.
Okay.
The sudo apt command is only for Linux computers, so that won't work unfortunately on Mac.
npm doesn't work either.
You don't have Node. Just try doing Node-v. Okay. Try doing Node.js-v.
Nope.
Neither. Okay. All right. Fine. Okay. I'll help you install it now. Source. These. Okay. Cool. So cucumber. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Install node.
Wait, should I try this? Brew install.
You want to install Phantom.js like that? Oh. Or you can try that.
Should I do brew install? Should I do the node? Or?
You're still gonna need Node at some point, so you might as well install Node now.
Okay.
You're gonna need Node. Seems to be running fine now on my side. Okay, let's get that.
Okay, so now npm install Phantom.
Try doing node-v to make sure it's installed. npm-v, just to verify that as well.
npm.
Yep. Cool. Yeah, you can now do npm install-g Phantom.js. There we go. So the -g will make sure it installs it globally into your system. Yeah. Okay, that's going fine. Right. Cool.
Okay. So rake cucumber now?
Rake cucumber now. Wait. Okay. That one got stuck on my side. Looks like it's moving forward with you. Cool. Looks like everything is working while going smooth now.
Yeah, much better.
Hopefully. All right. I guess I should just update so we need to have let me see this documentation. Oh, okay. A lot of it assumes that this was run in right. Okay. Yeah, you see, like most of these setup assume that the user will run this setup script to install missing dependencies, but the script itself hasn't been updated in a while now. So I should probably take a look at that sometimes and update it. But yeah. Okay, looks like you're good to go there. So what I'll do tomorrow is as soon as I get my role upgraded in Pivotal Track, I'll add you to the board, and then let's just say we meet up on Thursday. But I'll have to confirm in advance if I am available. But
Okay.
Thursday possibly we can meet up and try and work out something. Okay. Right. But in the meantime, just play around with the project and have it running. Get familiar with the code, and yeah. If you have any question, you can just hit me up on Slack. Right. By the way, this test you'll probably have two failing the. This has to do with develop branch. It always passes in with the continuous integration server. It will always pass there. I guess we've never figured out how to make it pass as well on develop. So yeah, we'll probably have a look at it. But so if you see two failing tests about documents or whatever, don't worry about those. Okay, it's perfectly okay. Right.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Do you have any other question maybe that we need to address now?
No, I'm good for now.
You're good for now.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Kashim. It's Kasham, right? Or Kashim?
Kasham.
Kasham.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Nice having the session with you. I'll check out with you then on Slack, and then we'll just plan another meeting soon. Okay.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Cool.
Right,
you have a good evening. Bye.